sometimes a repair becomes more than you expect. So my friend asked me if I could solder back on this and put a pin back into here because something had hit this, or it was dropped or something, and it had knocked a pin off of there and knocked this. I think it's an opto coupler. I didn't Google its number, but so I've put that back on and I've put a pin back in. But when I've had a real close look at what's going on here, look at that. Look at that. That's a trace that should come out here and connect to this pin that disappears underneath this capacitor. So I've got to take that weird cap off. It's 4 connections. So I'll get that off and see what's under there, and probably lay some copper tape, I think.